Hi, Victor. Last week we talked about NLU. So tell me, what do you mean by contextual analysis?
That's a good first question considering, it's the whole purpose of today's podcast. So contextual analysis is all about understanding where a sentence is coming from. So, without using the word context, it's hard to really get at the heart of this, but it's the context in which a sentence is born, basically. So you might have things in a sentence, in a piece of work, in a paragraph, even words themselves, where you could ostensibly have different meanings for the same piece of text or the same words. And it's not just different meanings, it's that your intended meaning will give it real context and real understanding of that piece of content or piece of word. So imagine the word bat. The word bat can obviously mean an animal, two-winged, little, almost rodent-looking flying thing. It could also mean a baseball bat. And it could mean the bat of, just somebody else that's similar to a baseball bat, but not specifically a baseball bat. That's one example. You might even think of another example like takeout. Takeout can be like, take out the trash, go take something out. And it could also literally mean, I want to eat some food. Can we get takeout? So without having context about those things, you're in a world of guessing as to what that word specifically means and how it applies to the rest of the sentence or the rest of the content, obviously. Add to that, you have also, especially in English, but all across every language, you have slang, you have idioms, you have treatments of words that are not quite correct, but they're colloquially used. And of course, you have like full-on internet language and acronyms and all that stuff. So you're going to need a bunch of context. Otherwise, you're going to literally just take the literal meaning and you're guessing at what that might mean in a text or a sentence or a paragraph. Some of the broader categories of contextual analysis are the actual analysis of syntactic and semantic parts of the text.